Which of the following is equal to x? A. X to the power 12 by 7 minus x to the power 5 by 7, or B, which is 12th root of x to the power 4 raised to the power 1 by 3, or C, root of x cube raised to the power 2 by 3, or D, x to the power 12 by 7 into x to the power 7 by 12. Looks complex. Yes? Whenever you look at a maths question, in the beginning, without thinking about the solution, it looks complex, but it is not. How are we going to solve it? Let's pick up options one by one, reduce it, simplify it, and see if it gets reduced to x. Let's start with the first option, which is x to the power 12 by 7 minus x to the power 5 by 7. We have x here as well as here. And the powers are different. We have 12 by 7 and we have 5 by 7. Now the trick is, can we write 12 by 7 as a sum of 5 by 7 and something? Yes, we can. If we take the denominator of the sum here as 7, 5 plus 7 will make it 12. So 12 by 7 can be written as 5 by 7 plus 7 by 7. Let's do this, which is equal to x to the power 5 by 7 plus 7 by 7 minus x to the power 5 by 7. 7 and 7 cancels out, giving us 1. So we have x to the power 5 by 7 plus 1 minus x to the power 5 by 7. You see, we have a property which says a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So we can apply this property here in x to the power 5 by 7 plus 1, thus getting it as x to the power 5 by 7 into x to the power 1, or simply x, minus x to the power 5 by 7. Now x to the power 5 by 7 is here as well as here. So we can take this as common. So we get x to the power 5 by 7. Inside we get x minus 1. This option is not equal to x. Can we simplify it further? No, it cannot. So this is the answer and it is not reduced to x. So this is not the right answer. Now let's try the second option, which is 12th root of x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 3. This can be written as x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 12. Why? Because nth root of a is equal to a to the power 1 by n. We have used this identity. This can be written as x to the power 4 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 12. Which identity have we used now? A to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Now if you look at it here, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So this is equal to x to the power 1 by 9. Again, this is not the answer. It is not getting reduced to x and we cannot simplify it further. So this is also not the right answer. This is also not going to work. Now let's pick up the next one, which is square root of x cube to the power 2 by 3. This can be written as x cube to the power 1 by 2, and we already have 2 by 3 here. Why? The same identity. Nth root of a is equal to a to the power 1 by n. It was square root of x cube, so we put it here as 1 by 2. Rest everything remains same. Let's solve it further. This is equal to x to the power 3 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Using the identity a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Now let's see if things cancel out. Yes, 2 cancels out 2, 3 cancels out 3, which is equal to x to the power 1, that is nothing but x. So we got the answer as x reduced. That means this is the answer that we were looking for. This is the correct answer. You can leave this question here, or if you want to check for the next option also, because in the examination this might not be the third option, it might be fourth. So in that case you have to check others as well. So let's check the next one also. Although we know that we have got the answer, so that is not going to be true. But still, just for the sake of doing it and understanding how to solve, let's do it. We have x to the power 12 by 7 into x to the power 7 by 12. This can be written as x to the power 12 by 7 plus 7 by 12. Why? Because a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Simplifying it further, we get x to the power. Here the LCM of 7 and 12 is 84. 7 12s are 84. 12 into 12 we get 144. Plus 12 7s are 84. So 7 into 7 we get 49. So this is equal to x to the power 144 plus 49. We get 9 plus 4 is 13, 3 1, 4 4 8 1 9. Here we get 1. So this becomes 193 by 84. Cannot be simplified further. So again, this is not getting reduced to x, which anyhow we already knew, but we just solved it. So this one is also not true. In this case, the value of x is this one. So you see, it is again a very simple question. In the beginning, it will try to scare you, but start solving it and you will get the result. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.